Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Okowatt review. So if you've been searching for ways to manage your household utility costs here, you might have run across the device called the Okowatt Power Saver. Now let's walk through exactly what this device is and what features it offers and how much it costs and how the manufacturer says you should actually use it. Now, the Okowatt Power Saver is a compact plug-in electrical accessory designed for residential and light commercial spaces, like apartment, houses, offices, and small shops. Now, the primary concept behind the device is to improve electrical efficiency inside your home or your home's wiring. Now, according to the manufacturer here, the device functions by stabilizing the incoming voltage, balancing the electrical current, and reducing power spikes. By smoothing out these electrical currents, it is designed to help reduce the energy waste and shield your house appliance from power surges. Now, this is all according to their website. Now, according to also the official product details here, the Okowatt unit features several key designs and technical specifications. Now, it is small, cordless, and plug-and-play device that inserts directly into any standard AC wall outlet, requiring no complex wiring or professional installation. Now, it also has a built-in green LED light that immediately glows to show you the device is actively receiving power and working. Now, it also features capacitor-based technology designed to stabilize voltage fluctuations and act as a basic surge protector for your electronics. Now, it also has a built-in with a fire-resistant shell and features internal heat sensors that automatically regulates the unit's temperature. Now, a single Okowatt unit is rated by the manufacturer. Now, this is all according to their website to cover up to 1,000 square feet of living space. Now, also, the setup process here is incredibly simple. It's requiring zero technical knowledge. So you begin by choosing the central location to plug the device into a standard functional wall outlet. Now, for best coverage here, according to them, the instructions suggest plugging it into an outlet that is close to your home's breaker box or near high draw motor driven appliances like your refrigerator or air conditioning unit. Now, once plugged in, the green LED light of the front of the Okowatt device will light up to indicate that the circuit is completed and the device is currently running. Now from there, you simply leave it running continuously, and the manufacturer states that you should leave it plugged in 24/7. Now, if you are going to look for official purchasing channels here or wherever it's actually being sold, the device is sold individually or in multi-unit packages to accommodate different home sizes. Now, one unit of this device is priced around like $39.99 or $39 depending on where you're buying it, plus shipping and handling costs. Now, a two-unit package here, which is for ideal homes between like 1,000 or 2,000 square feet, is priced around like $59.99 and includes free shipping. Now, this totally depends on where you're buying it. Now, the three-unit package here is priced around like 79.96, which essentially charges you for two units and gives you one completely free with no additional shipping fees. But that's about it. So if you found this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.